This is the humble sandbag, used since the 18th century and floodproofing the world over and still in wide use today. But as with anything centuries old, there is always room for improvement. Let's take a closer look at the process. The average sandbag weighs 15 to 20 kilos. So as you can imagine, getting from the sandbag depot to the flood site is an arduous and time-consuming process, especially considering that time is of the essence. As sandbags allow water to pass through them, once the waters have receded, the sandbags are full of all sorts of bacteria. They cannot be reused or disposed of in an eco-friendly way. But there is a solution. This is the HydroSack and HydroSnake instant sandbags. They are very light and thin, and once activated, they'll take only 2 to 3 minutes to absorb up to 20 liters of clean or flood water. Once fully saturated, they will then resist or redirect any further water flow. The HydroSnake is designed as a 3-piece elongated barrier to divert water over stretched areas of ground. These can be used by utility companies, emergency response teams, sports arenas, and wherever there is a threat of excess water. Unlike the traditional sandbag, they do not harbor bacteria, they do not rot, and even when punctured will perform as an effective barrier. Once the floodwater has receded, as the contents are degradable and eco-friendly, they can be split open and spread into the earth. Alternatively, they can be landfilled or incinerated. HydroSnakes can be stored in bulk for 5 years plus until needed. As you can see, the benefits in terms of the environment and the cost savings speak for themselves. Don't wait until it's too late to be prepared with HydroSnakes.